Hi, my name is Paul Rice. I'm a medical massage therapist, and I want to talk about banana bending. And yes, I have a banana. So what is banana bending? It's a way to stretch out the body when you can't get at the tissue. Why would I need to know that? Why would you need to know that? Take the case of a motor vehicle accident. Suddenly you're stopped, the chair that you're in, the driver's seat, slams against you, your head stretches back, and everything in the front gets ripped, in not a good way, torn, micro tears. The fascia all goes tight to protect everything, and then you slam forward and back, and it's a mess. So now my question to you is, how can you work on or relieve or ease pains and tightnesses that you get on the front of your spine? Not happening, right? Because here you've got serious blood vessels and you breathe through here. There's no way you can poke your hands into this area. Can you do it on the chest? No, you've got ribs here. You can't get inside the rib cage. You can't get to the front of the spine. Abdomen, you got to go through all that soft tissue. Really uncomfortable. And you have the aorta just off to the left. You're going to be putting your hands in there? No, not happening. But what will this tightness be doing to you? It will be curling you up, and you'll be getting all sorts of back pain from being stretched all the time, plus everything will be contracted here. Really unpleasant. So this is something that you can easily do, and it involves banana bending. Think about it. If this was us and I straightened this out, that would be us. But when I bend it in this shape, this side, opposite to the side I'm bending, gets stretched. Right? So think of it. If I am bending you backwards, then the front gets stretched. So if I bend the neck backwards, the front gets stretched. Bend the torso, the front of the spine and the torso gets stretched. Bend the abdomen, that gets stretched. And a gentle, slow challenge, a fascial stretch, will ease most of your problems there. Won't deal with scar tissue, but it will stretch any tightness there. So, how are we going to do this? One way is with some balls. And what we do, we place them either side of the spine, and then the client's going to lay down on them, and we just wait. So you can do this at home, pick a nice surface, your bed or whatever, 2 balls, and some people put them inside a sock, so they keep them together and tie a knot in it. And you just wait. And what will happen is the push here will cause a banana bend, the front of the neck will stretch. So I'm going to have Crystal demonstrate. All right, so get in the middle. There we are. Right, and so it's that easy. You're going to be laying down on a couple of balls. Sometimes they talk about tennis balls. That's a bit softer. That's perfect too. And you just wait there, and that will cause the banana bend, so the front of the neck will stretch. A nice constant stretch, because it's gravity. The head is pulling down here under gravity. No other forces. Nice and easy. The front stretches, problems go away. There's another issue. What if it's a disc problem? You've heard about discs. They go between the vertebrae and they cushion it there, and the nerve sticks out there. What if you have a disc problem? What that means is the vertebrae are being pulled together and being bent to the side, and whichever side they're being bent to, the disc points out the opposite way, leading to pain on one side of the body, right? So for that type of pain, it's even easier. You just need 1 ball, and you put it on the side that's hurting. or where the tingling is going. Because what that does, here's your discs being pulled over that way, vertebrae, disc is pointing out that way, right? You put the ball on this side, which causes, let me put it this way, a banana bend. So the tightness is opposite to the side that's being pinched. So whatever side is hurting, that's where you put the ball, and it will cause a sideways banana bend. So let's say Crystal has an issue with some tingling down in the right arm, right? We would put this on the right side of her neck, and she would lay on that, and it would cause the left side to stretch, because it's the left side that's pulling the head down, causing the disc to move out on the right side. So simply put, nerve pain on the right, put the ball on the right, lay on it. And then you sit and wait 45 seconds or more, you're banana bending, and you're helping to remove the tightness, which is pushing the disc out to the opposite side. Voila, nice and easy. Do it for a minute on your bed, tennis ball, or one of these balls. Okay, up you get. We're on to the next one. Thanks, Crystal. So, the next one is for the thorax. You can't get in there. So, how can you get to the front of it? You put the balls in the chest, wherever it is, high up, low down, wherever it feels tighter. And you can do multiple sides, because then you get a better banana bend further around. And you just lay with your spine in between there, separate them a little bit there, and that opens up your chest. If you were having a disc problem, which is not so common there, it would affect one organ side or the other side. And so, yeah, you could do it with one, but usually not. So I'm just going to have Crystal demonstrate doing it in the back, and you've got a bunch of vertebrae there. You can adjust it for whatever you feel best. So, and you wait there for a minute or so, and your chest will open up, less pinching.
My back cracked.
Oh, ha! Yeah, plus you may get your back cracking because it needed to. So the fact that it cracked is suggestive that there could be some nerve issue from that point onwards. So where I placed it there, maybe Crystal's kidneys have an issue there, and so she's more likely to grow kidney stones. Or it could be the liver, or, you just notice that. And so the next point is for the abdomen. All soft, gushy, you don't want to go in there. So you've got 5 lumbar vertebrae. So you can place it high up or low down, and that will stretch, banana bend at each different point for wherever it feels tighter. If it feels tighter, lower, just move it lower. Again, you're more likely to have a disc issue down in the lumbar spine, so you may find one side does it better. Again, put it on the side that hurts, and that will loosen the opposite side, which is pushing the disc out that way. So, I like this technique because it's easy, it's simple, and there's no muscles involved. You just lay there resting, and that's perfect for any fascial connective tissue work. You just let the banana take its shape. So if you don't have any balls or tennis balls, you can use something like a back knobber. And it comes in the mail like this. And you assemble it like so. And for this, you just put it in whatever part that hurts. You can adjust it any which way to get into that point. So it's not a perfect banana bend, but it's trying. So here I've got it on one side, and I'm kind of banana bending like that. So that's another way to do it. These cost $32, $35 or so. So you can find cheaper ones if you like. So that's another way to do it. This is really neat just for any ache and pain. So, you know, get one of these anyway. And then there's another favorite. Banana bending. Over this, put it on the ground, lay over this. You can lay one side or the other, however you want. And gravity does the work. You stretch out slowly. The fascia gets stretches. The front of the spine is relieved. Problem goes away. Banana bending. Try it. And if you like this video and you want more of the same to help you heal yourself, subscribe. Just hit the button. Thank you.